Wait. Have you guys seen the Ciara level up dance trend? That one that goes like Oh, sorry guys.
I am breathing, everybody eating, don't stop believing on my journey, seeing levels, never dreamed of seeing all these human beings work, till it hurt, go but sir, when they twerk.
Rock it up. Watch the girl them wine. Rock it up, girl, you ready? We just a 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 4. Let's go. I'm fun, come with the crew.
So welcome to my YouTube channel, and here on my channel I break down the different dance trend you see out there online. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with what we have today. So today it's the Ciara level up choreography. Okay, I know you've seen it. Okay, I don't know, most of you want me to dance it and what? Whoa, come on. So that's the Ciara level up choreography. Now let's take it step by step, okay? So the first move is this, like you're wearing something, okay? Take note. So it's like, hey, you're wearing, like when you want to wear something, you want to wear your trousers, you want to wear your skirt, you want to wear your panties, don't mind me. So yeah, that's how the move looks like. So you're going 1, 2. Then the next move is this, kick. How many of you know the better kick that you kick like this? Like you want to kick a ball. So it's the next move, it's kick. So when you kick, you drop it forward and go 1, 2, 3. You understand? So you go 1, 1, 2, 3. You get it? So the next move after 1, 2, 3, it's hey, lock, hey, lock. So you're like, you're swiping your left hand, you're moving. Okay, you know this move that you go like this? Hey, you know when we're still kids, we will stand and we're dancing, where. That move, side movement, that's what you need right now. So you go 1, so like you're going, hey, you see what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? Okay, I don't know what that means, I'm sorry. So you go 1, lock, 1, lock. Let's take it again from the top. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then what? 1, lock, 1, lock. Now the next move after this is this. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're making a cross. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are jerking it. So you are 1, 2. You get, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're jerking it. So again, 1, cross it, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4 to this side. 1, 2. That's it. Now the next move after that is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you're doing it up to your right, you're doing it up to your left, then you take it down to your right, take it down to your left. So it's just like you're doing bridal showers. You know, bridal showers. Bridal showers, I don't know. Now the next move is you go 1, hey, like you're swallowing something. Swallowing something. So when you go to the right, you hit to the right, you come back, swallow, you hit to the left, you come back, swallow. Then you now count 5, 4. So if you watch, they were doing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. Let's try it without the song from the top. So I want you to imagine the beats in your head. Okay? So let's go together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2. Kick. 1, 2, 3. Come back. 1 and lock. 2 and lock. Then 1, 2, 1, 2. Jerk it and stop. Now 1, 2, 1, 2. Jerk it and stop. Move. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Then hit, swallow, and hit, swallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hey, hey. All right, so let's do it with the song already. 5, 6, 7.
These human beings work till it hurt. Go berserk. When they twerk.
Drop it up. Watch the goddamn wine. Back it up, girl. You ready? We just a 5, 5, 4, 4, 3. Let's go. I'm one come with the crew. Run like a zoo. Move like Shaq Zulu. Fresh me, I have to stay new. Checks them, I have to pay due. I go and focus mine. Manifest.
Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's dance tutorial. This was the Ciara level up choreography. I hope you learned something. If you didn't, I want you to go back, rewind, and watch it closely, okay? And at this point, if you're new and you're still watching and you enjoyed it, I want you to drop a comment, share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate. And as usual, if you know there's any dance choreography you want a tutorial on, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll look into it, okay? With all that said, I remember my humble self, Danceglitch, and thank you for always joining me to break down your favorite dance choreographies.